Yeah, follow up to that, Michael, is this brief interaction that prosecutors have pointed out when we're seeing her walking in. It's almost as if the mother, the victim in this case, has to swerve from hitting her. And then that's when you see the defendant turn around and come after
Yep, turn
the
around.
victims. Is that something that is been blown up a bit by the prosecution, or do you think that's a fair potential motive, that she was perhaps upset that someone was in her way or almost hit her?
I think it's blown up by the prosecution. They have to throw everything they can at the wall, but I think it is blown up. At the end of the day, the defense is also going to argue that, hey, even though she had the knives and she was measuring them, she didn't know that plunging a knife into somebody and murdering them was wrong because she was insane. She was schizophrenic, and that was not a motive. She was not. She turned around. She was looking to stab somebody. She had no idea what she was doing, why she was doing it. So the defense have a lot of fodder that they can use to show that this woman was insane. Whether or not the jury buys it, it's a whole different story. But yes, this is going to be a very, very, very academic exercise for the defense, but not so academic for the jury.
Okay, while we're waiting for the next clip that we'll be able to show our viewers, there are some restrictions from the judge in this case. We want to make sure we abide by that. But I want to go back to the most important part so far in this case for these jurors, because this is what gave them the roadmap, and that's the opening statement. So let's hear a bit from the state and from the defense in what they laid out for these jurors.